When people hear work zone, they usually think about cones, signs, or crews in the street. But before any of that happens, there's a role responsible for planning, coordination, and oversight. A work zone project manager focuses on how a project moves through the public right-of-way, from planning to execution. That includes coordinating schedules, aligning requirements, and making sure different parties are working from the same plan. This role is not about installing cones, flagging traffic, or performing field labor. It's about decision-making, sequencing, and preventing problems before work begins. Many delays in active work zones don't come from construction, they come from misalignment. A work zone project manager helps reduce that risk by focusing on preparation, coordination, and clarity. This channel focuses on how work zones are planned, coordinated, and managed from a project management perspective. Educational content only. No services, no approvals, just how the process works. Understanding the role helps projects move better and helps work zones work as intended. If your project requires planning, coordination, or right-of-way preparation support, you can contact Public Ready to learn more.